naubos na yung patatas. So kailangan kong kumuha ng patatas dito. So papakita ko sa inyo yung bunker dito sa bahay ni Hana, kung saan nakalagak yung mga patatas na kahit isang taon hindi nasisira. So pag harvest, dyan nilalagay sa ilalim. Tapos pag maubusan dito sa taas, kukuha lang dyan. So mga ilang buwan na rin, walang nakakapunta dyan. Ang kinatakutan ko lang dyan, kasi maraming malalaking spider minsan. Kasi bunker yan eh. Talagang, kung ito underground na to, ito, underground ito, yan, napaka-underground. So konti na lang natira. Mauubos nito bago mag-summer. So dito nilalagay ni Mamingka na Helen, Hana, yung kanilang konsumong patatas. Kasi mas kuwan sila sa patatas. Kumbaga ito yung kanin nila. So dito nila nilalagay. Yan. So inutusan ako din Mamingka na bumabalik at kumuha ng patatas. So yan. Yung puti na yan parang powder na nilalagay nila para hindi lalanggamin. Talagang nawakon nga na preserve nila ang kanilang patatas. So yan. Talagang sobrang lalim nito rito. So yun yung bunker nila rito. Kuha lang ako ng patatas. Parang kwanto eh. Yung summer to summer. Sobrang lamig dito kahit summer. Okay. So yan. Yun, japit boy. Ayos. So kukonsumuhin ito ng mga ilang araw. Patatas. So yun. Pero ako kanin talaga. Minsan nagpapatatas din ako. Pero yung patatas naman natin hinahalo lang natin sa ating ulam. Kung nag-aadobo ako, hinahalo ko itong patatas. O yung nilagang baka, nilagang baboy. Okay. Ito. Kunti na lang yung bigas. Isang lutuan na lang yung bigas. Wala na nga isang lutuan to. Kailangan makapunta na sa grocery stores para makabili ng bigas. Ito naman, ngayong by June o July, April, May, June, mga June siguro, ito na ang itatanim naman uli. Pinili to. Oh. Yan. Parang ito na yung bagong seedlings ng patatas. Itatanim uli. Isang patatas yan, makakapag-produce yan ng mga 7, 8. Dami yan. Talagang kung nakakita na kayo ng patatas, paano mag-harvest ng patatas? Sa isang ganito, pag tinanim mo, ang dami yan. Magiging mga 7, 8. Okay. Tinakpan na yung sari-sari store. Yan. Okay.
Open dito. Papuntahan mo ito.
Cake yan eh. Para sa ngayong Holy Week ng mga Katolik, mag-celebrate si Mamingka. So nagbe-bake siya ng rabbit cake. So yan ang kanyang kalalabasan. Oh. Rabbit? Ovechkin?
Ovechkin, no?
Oh. Wow. Ganda, no? Awan ko kung anong gagawin nila dito. Parang lalagyan natin nila ng chocolate toppings. Wow. Wow. So, ito na. Na-bake na. Pali? Hot? Oh. Hot nga. What happened? What happened there? Did she mess up?
You see what happened?
Did she mess up there?
Yeah.
Oh my. Okay, wash your hands, yeah? Because so many paper there that you use for your nose. Wash your hands, baby.
I will.
Jana, jestli si budeš péct zítra. Jestli ti jeden dá papí, ale ne, ty to nemáš ráda.
Hungry? What you gonna eat?
I'm not
Oh my
hungry, but
goodness.
I'm craving something.
Huh?
I'm not hungry, but I'm craving something.
I know what you're craving. You're craving for chocolate. Sweets.
I already had.
Where you been?
I had piano and then swimming.
Okay.
But today,
Super busy day.
yeah, today, you know what? In school we had
Sports day.
5 hours and a half of sports. I think.
Sports.
Yeah.
5 hours.
Yeah. Whole day?
Hold it.
Oh, they were PE.
Hold it today at school. Just PE.
Yeah.
What kind of PE is that?
Because because I do like PE. We have like 3 groups: sports, English, and how would you say baratalk in
I don't know.
like research
Research.
group.
Research
I'm the sport group. So the research group went to some museum. English group went to laser game, and we did sport for 5 hours.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it's fine.
It's okay. So no lesson,
No,
only
play
sports, and then after that you went to
piano, and then piano theory, and then training.
and then swimming training.
So
Hey.
to count it, around 7 hours of sports.
Yeah.
7 hours of sports.
Burned 3,000 calories today.
No more.
More.
More?
Because
How did you know it's at 3,000?
I know because
You have watch
my
counting your calories.
My watch is 0 battery.
Yeah, she had so much sport that even the battery didn't last
So
today.
basically, after 5 hours, right? I had 2,300 burn, and swimming 9 hours usually burns around 900. So if you can
Wow, you must be very tired. So you need carbs. Okay, there's still rice there. You want rice and adobo?
Yeah, after I shower.
Okay, there's a little bit adobo left here and rice.
Okay, thank
But this is pork belly adobo. She doesn't like pork belly adobo. Oh, very little left. And there is rice, small rice. And this is for Sisi. Chicken. Pinakuluan ko lang. So dito maganda na oh. Ito. So lahat ng mga entrance pantay. Right? It's level.
Yeah.
The level is like the same. But the problem in this entrance, ito, masyadong mataas, mababa. So hindi daw nila kayang ipantay kasi ang budget ito lang. Dapat kami na daw ang magpapantay rito, gagastos kung gusto naming pantayin. Kasi ito, proyekto ito ng barangay. Lahat ng pavement, binago ng barangay. Kaya lang, dito sa amin mataas, kami na raw ang magpapantay. So mangyayari parang igaganyan namin. Lalagyan namin ng graba at sesimintuhin din. So medyo malaki-laki din ang gastos niyan. Kasi mahaba-haba to. Tingnan natin kung anong sabi ni Madam Hana. Kasi dito sa kanila, ganun din. Dito hindi mapapantay to rito. Ito, mapapantay to. Kapitbahay namin to. Pinsan ni Hana. Kahit doon sa kabila, mapapantay. Doon lang sa amin. Yung kabilang entrance doon, pantay. Ganyan, di ba? Pantay. So pagpasok ng kotse dito, yan o, pantay o.
Sisi. Sisi, no, sir. Sisi. Sisi,
Pero doon nga, hindi pantay.
what's it?
This way, no?
And this one o, ito din kapitbahay namin. Pantay din o. Ito nalagyan nila ng graba rito. Ito, kaya nilang pantayin. Pero doon sa amin, mataas daw masyado. So, tingnan natin. Kahit dito, napantay nila. Yan, pantay. So, hindi pa sila tapos. So, darling, so what's your plan then?
I don't know.
About this?
I don't know.
No plan?
No plan.
So, you're gonna leave it like that?
No. Otherwise, I cannot get in.
So you're gonna spend your own money to fix it.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, okay. So yan. Yan ang dilemma ngayon ni Hana.
Or you can fix it.
What do you think? What do you think? If these skilled people cannot fix it, what do you think?
Yeah, needs to fix it. He's not skilled, but he needs
He will fix it? Milan? No.
He will. He needs to.
Huh?
He needs to.
Oh, then I will help Milan.
Yeah.
Tell Milan just if he needs my help, then just say, Japet, potrebujesz pomoc. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, lamig sa labas. Yeah, lamig. Si Cinco. Check me out. So how's life there?
Yeah. Good.
How's work?
Very good.
Good. Pinkay, how's school?
It's okay.
How was your exam yesterday?
I think that you got an number 2, right?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
From Czech language.
Czech language number 2.
Yeah.
But
The-
it was a big test. It's like some.
Wow, I really salute you, Pinkay. It's been like 1 year and 7 months, but you got grade 2. Like, what you call that? Score 2. The
Yeah.
excellent is 1.
1.
And very good is 2.
And the teacher doesn't give her the easy test. Yeah, you can.
Wow.
So we need to leave because Sophia expecting a call.
Okay.
From whom?
Daj, wait.
Okay, bye.
Hey, Bardziej jasny.
She's talking to her cousins.
What?
These twin cousins. Oh. Anyway, that's it. And we are preparing for our holiday this April 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going somewhere.
Yeah. Surprise.
Okay. Isang araw na naman ang natapos. Oras is alas 8 ng gabi. So andito na ako sa taas. Nagpe-prepare na ako para magpahinga na rin. Si Sofia at si Hana nasa baba pa. So si Sofia naman doon yan sa baba natutulog. Doon sa kanyang kwarto mismo. So pag weekends lang yan siya natutulog dito. Si Hana, nagipagkwentuhan pa kay Mamingka. Mamaya pa yun, akit dito mga 9:30 ng gabi o alas 10. So, ganyan talagang routine namin dito. So, yan. At naghahanda na rin kami para magbakasyon ngayong Holy Week. Mga 3 nights kaming wala rito. At bukas, dahil hindi namin maisama si Sisi sa aming pupuntahan, iiwan namin siya doon kay sa unang nagmamayari sa kanya. Baby pa kasi yan siya nang kinuha namin. Mga 7 months old. Yan si Sisi doon sa kanyang unang nagmamayari sa kanya. So pag wala kami at malayo yung aming pupuntahan, doon namin siya iniiwan sa unang nagmamayari sa kanya. At least, hindi siya na-stress kasi kilala niya yung mag-aalaga sa kanya. So yun, kung hindi man ako makapag-vlog dito sa Czech Republic, at least doon nyo kami makikita sa aming pupuntahan. Kung sino man na nakasubaybay sa aming vlog, alam nyo kung saan kami pupunta kasi nabanggit ko na to mga 3 weeks ago sa aming vlog kung saan kami pupunta ngayong Holy Week. So, kita-kits, salamat uli sa pagsubaybay sa aming vlog.